Hello everyone and welcome back to Mastermind e-learning. This is the part 2 video of the multiplication trick of multiplying numbers with a series of 9. Here the number of digits will be less than the number of 9s. So let's see some examples. The first question is 54 multiplied by 999. Now here if you say the number of digits in the first number is 2 and the number of 9s is 3. We know how to multiply when the number of digits and number of 9s are equal. We just have to do one thing here. We'll make this 2-digit number. We'll convert this 2-digit number into a 3-digit number. How do we convert it? We just insert a 0 before the number. Okay, so now we have 3 digits over here and we have 3 9s. Now we go along with the same original method. That is, for part 1, we will write 1 less than the number. That is 0, 5, 3. And for part 2, we'll subtract each digit of part 1 from 9. So we have 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So we write down 946. And then combine both the answers to get 53946. We can see that we have not written down this first 0 in the answer because this has no value. Right? In the beginning, if you write 0, it makes no sense. So we have just ignored that 0. Now, this was when we saw the number of digits. There was only one digit less in the first number. Let's see another example here. Now we have 2 digits over here and there are 5 9s. Okay, now I want this number to become a 5-digit number. There are already 2 digits, so I'll insert 3 zeros before the number. So now these are 5 digits over here and there are 5 9s. So now again we'll go along with that same method. Part 1 would be 1 less, that is 22. But we'll have to write these zeros in the beginning. So we write 0, 0, 0, 2, 2. And for part 2, we'll subtract each digit from 9. So that would be 99977. Now combine both these parts and our final answer would be 2299977. Let's see one example where we have only one digit in this first number and then there are 5 9s over here. So there are 4 extra 9s. So we'll put 4 extra zeros before the number. And again we go along with the same method. Part 1 would be 1 less, that is 7. But there are 4 zeros extra, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 7. And part 2 would be 99992. And combine the answers, that would be 7999992. Now, every time we cannot write down like part 1 and part 2 and then we write the answers. Now, watch out the next 2 examples where we are directly going to write the answer in one single line without putting this part 1 and part 2 columns. So, let's see the 4th example. Okay, so let's see this 4th example over here. Example is 36 multiplied by 4 times 9. Now, we're going to write 1 less than the given number. So we just write 35 as our first part. So we start writing our answer. First 2 digits will be 3 and 5. Now we know that there are 2 extra 9s in our number here in the series, right? It should be, when there are 2 digits, it should have been 2 9s, but there are 4 9s. So we'll write 2 9s after 35. So we write 9, 9. And then we start writing the last part. That is, we'll subtract each digit of our first 2 digits here. So 9 minus 3 is 6 and 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is our final answer. Let's see one more example. Now again we have 2 digits over here and there are 5 9s. So there are 3 extra 9s. First of all, we'll write 1 less than the given number. So we'll write it as 56. Then there are 3 extra 9s. So we will write 3 9s over here. and then subtract these two digits from 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, so we write 43. And this is our final answer. So in this way, you can write the answer in one single line. So this is how you can multiply numbers when the number of digits is less than the number of lines.